'Cause tomorrow me ain't gonna like the way things go tonight. If I let you in and think that it'll be different this time, so maybe we should let yesterday be. 'Cause I gotta live with tomorrow me. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So this is how to play Tomorrow Me by Luke Combs. This is a great song. So please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps me out in the algorithm stuff. Also, leave me a comment saying great lesson or something like that. That helps a lot with the algorithm too. In fact, comments actually help more than hitting like does, but I'll take what I can get. All right. So this song is in standard tuning. It doesn't have a capo. It's pretty easy to play. There's like several different chord progressions. That's the hardest part is just remembering them, honestly. The chord progressions, not just the chord progressions, but the chord progressions and the strumming patterns. So, but it's not super difficult. So stick with me on it. All right. So stick with me because I'm going to teach you how to play like the chords, where they go, the strumming patterns for the verses, the chorus, and the bridge. The bridge is like later on. So we'll get to that. So you're going to do for the intro. This is for the intro part. You're going to do G, E minor, C add 9. And D. So that's the intro. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So just down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? And if you don't know C add 9, it's basically the same as G, but you leave off your pinky, so you're keeping your ring finger on the 3rd fret on the B string, okay? And then you're going to put your middle finger, all right, on the 3rd fret on the A string, and your pointer finger goes, all right, on the 2nd fret on the D string. So it looks like that. If that's hard for you to remember, you could play C. It sounds similar, but it's not exactly the same, but it's similar. So anyway, so the intro is G, E minor, C add 9, D, okay? And it's that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, okay? So then for the verse is a little bit harder, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do G on telephone rings. Telephone rings, can I come over? So can I come over? This, if you wanna play this like a very simple way, you could just do single strums here. So you could do telephone rings, telephone is G, telephone rings, can I is E minor, I come over. It's kinda is C add 9, it's kinda just the way things go. Since we is D, since we've been over. All right, so that's D, since we've been over. All right, then you're just gonna repeat that. So you're gonna do G, E minor, C add 9, D, all right? Now, the way that's harder, and I think is much closer to the album version, is down, down, up, down. So down, down, up, mute, down, up, down, up, mute, 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 down, up, mute, down, up, down, up, mute. Okay, so that's how you would play that. Now, you can play it either way, all right? So let me know if you have questions on that. Now, the chorus is going to go C add 9, all right? 'Cause tomorrow me ain't gonna like the way things go tonight. So basically for this, you're gonna do down, down, up, down, all right? Down, down, up, like that, okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so you're just doing that down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, just like that. Okay, and the chords are going to be C add 9, because tomorrow is C add 9, because tomorrow me ain't gonna like the way. So way is G, the way things go tonight. If I let, so you're starting with G, C add 9, G, C add 9, G. Right, if I let is C add 9. If I let you in and think that it'll be different this time. So it'll be is G. Be different this time. So maybe, all right, so you're doing A minor 7 here. So A minor 7 is the same as A minor, just don't use your ring finger. Okay, so maybe we should let, now I don't know what this chord is called, all right? So you go from A minor 7, and then you're gonna lift it up, your middle finger, and you're gonna put it on the 2nd fret on the A string. And so maybe we should be let. So let is gonna be, C is gonna be this other one. Let yesterday be. So B, you're gonna play the C chord. B, 'cause I gotta live. So live, you're gonna do D. Live with tomorrow me. And then on me, you're gonna play G. And you're gonna play the intro here. G, E minor. All right, that G, E minor, C add 9, D. All right, so you're gonna go. Okay, you're gonna go right into that. Okay, so the way that the chorus would look and sound is gonna be, 'cause tomorrow me ain't gonna be the way things go tonight. If I let you in and think that it'll be different this time. So then here's the different part. So that was C add 9 G, C add 9 G. Now here you go to the A minor 7 on so. So maybe we should let. See, I just on let you switch from A minor 7. You just move it over your middle finger over to the 2nd fret on the A string. Let yesterday be. B is C. 'Cause I gotta live with tomorrow me. Okay, so then you're gonna go right into that intro part again. You play it through once, and you do the 2nd verse, then the 2nd chorus. The bridge is G. So this is where the solo is: E minor, C add 9, and then D. Now, then with the lyrics, after you play that through once, you're gonna, with the lyrics, you're gonna do A minor, and you're just gonna do down, 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 C. So A minor, C, down, 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 A minor. So A minor, C, A minor, down, 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 C, and then D. So, know how it's gonna end. Okay, then A minor, just like it always ends. And then go into that last chorus. So that's how you play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.